Philippine National Police says there is no chain of command in the PNP. The full story from Alvin Baltazar.
Meron kaming chain of command, although it will start from the chief PNP pababa. Wala siyang mini-mention about the President. Ito yung internal chain of command of the Philippine National Police.
This was again stressed by the PNP leadership amid the seemingly confusion pertaining on the chain of command being observed at the PNP. The police leadership reiterated that the President is not part of the chain of command of the Philippine National Police and instead starts from the Chief PNP down the line. Furthermore, there is no negative connotation on the word bypass, which was used by the BOI on their findings pertaining to the President. This, according to Serbo, normally happens to various PNP offices, including the Public Information Office, and it cannot be considered as a violation.
For example, the regional director can talk directly and give orders sa kanyang mga chief of police, bypassing yung mga provincial directors, di ba? And it is not abnormal. Nangyayari yan. So, with respect to what happened dito sa Masapano incident, so hindi natin nakikitang abnormal. The President talking to General Lapeñas. Yes, it is not a violation. It is simply talking directly. Di ba? Sa iyong subordinates.
The PNP leadership again emphasized that the President only exercised his prerogative when he directly talked to former SAF Chief General Getulio Lapeñas. Included in the BOI report was the word bypass, which pertains to the Chief Executive, which according to the BOI is not right nor wrong.
Again, prerogative? That's a prerogative. Hindi natin, given the level of the President, sabihin natin pinuno or nangangasiwa sa lahat ng activities na nangyayari sa bansa natin.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.